Mornings are a mess. Your alarm hits like a demon punch. Notifications explode. You open 5 apps before brushing your teeth, and then wonder why the day feels cursed. What if one anime technique could reset your entire morning in 12 minutes? This is total concentration breathing, not as fiction, but a real-life anime productivity hack. If nothing changes, chaos runs your day before you even decide what to wear. Ready? Engage, star, drive. This is not just a take a deep breath pep talk. We're unpacking why Tanjiro's total concentration training works. 3 traps that ruin your morning before it starts. 5 drills to anchor your own 12-minute reset. A story from the Butterfly Mansion. 5 myths, 3 rapid Q&As, and a checklist to reboot your mornings. Real talk and personal analysis, not therapy or clinical advice. Tanjiro didn't just become a demon slayer with sword swings. He built internal structure first, through total concentration breathing. Every movement, every fight began with awareness through breath. That's not a metaphor. It's focus under pressure, trained into the nervous system. Canon cues. 1. At the Butterfly Mansion, Tanjiro trains to keep breathing even while asleep. 2. During fights, his calm breath gives him clarity while others panic. 3. Shinobu warns, if your breath slips, your blade follows. That's your morning. Lose your breath, lose your clarity, lose your day. Let's build your 12-minute morning reset using nothing but focus, breathing, and anime-rooted structure. Trap 1. App Ambush. You wake up with the reflex of a demon. Open Discord, check IG, doom scroll the FYP. You're already overstimulated before you're hydrated. Trap 2. False urgency. Every notification feels like it needs you now, but urgency is not equal to importance. Trap 3. Momentum mismatch. Your body's still in dream state, but you demand top speed execution. It's like sprinting in sandals. If Tanjiro needed 12 minutes to align his breathing before sword swings, you can take a moment before answering 17 unread DMs. Tanjiro doesn't just jump into battle. He wakes up, breathes, calibrates. The first 2 minutes of your morning must belong to stillness, not stimulation. No screens, no lights. Sit up, place your feet on the ground. Inhale through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale through the mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat 4 rounds for 2 minutes. Before you scroll, breathe like a protagonist. Total concentration isn't about control. It's about starting in rhythm so you can adapt later. Mornings are about regulating, not racing. After your breath, stretch. 1 light movement pattern, 2 to 3 minutes. Nezuko's box carrying squats are optional. Your mind follows motion. Flow, focus, function. If Inosuke can limber up in a boar mask, you can do 3 neck rolls without whining. Tanjiro doesn't just breathe for the sake of calm. He breathes with direction. If your breath is unfocused, your energy follows. Before starting anything, pick a word. Precision, patience, power. Inhale it in, hold it, exhale it out. 1 word, 1 breath, 1 focus. Repeat 5 rounds. It feels cheesy until it rewires your nervous system. Tanjiro's breath shatters boulders. Yours can at least get you through your inbox. Tanjiro trains not just for success, but for resistance. He breathes through discomfort, pain, fatigue. You need the same reset for morning chaos triggers. Don't fear distractions. Prepare for them. List your top 2 triggers. Texts, emails, Slack, chores. Create a delay breath. When a trigger hits, don't react. 1 breath cycle. Then decide. If Tanjiro can stay calm with a spider demon in his face, you can breathe through a meeting request. Tanjiro ends every session with presence. Sword sheath, breath calm, eyes clear. How you finish the first 12 minutes decides how you approach the rest of the day. Final step. Set a one-line goal aloud. Then physically transition. Stand tall. You've reset your day. This isn't anime cosplay. This is training your morning like your mission. What's one trigger you'll prep for with a delay breath tomorrow morning? And what's your anchor word? Drop it in the comments. Best ritual gets pinned. Plus Discord boost. Tanjiro sits in the courtyard. Shinobu walks behind him holding a candle. The test? Keep his breath steady, even as she strikes the ground without warning. Each step echoes. Each hit could break focus. He doesn't flinch. He doesn't fight. He breathes, controlled, repetitive, calm. The candle stays lit. Shinobu nods. You're ready. No fight won, no demon slain, but the real win, clarity under chaos. Let's kill 5 myths fast. Myth 1. Mornings are just chaos. Truth. They're programmable. Myth 2. Breath is just stress relief. Truth. Breath sets pace and presence. Myth 3. You need 60 minutes for routines. Truth. 12 minutes can reset the system. Myth 4. Focus requires silence. Truth. Focus requires rhythm. Myth 5. You're either a morning person or not. Truth. You're just untrained. Question 1. What if I miss my breath routine? Restart with 1 inhale. Shame doesn't reset systems. Breath does. Question 2. Can I play music while doing it? Instrumentals only. No lyrics. Or just birds. Tanjiro would vibe with birds. Question 3. How long before this feels natural? Give it 7 to 10 days. After that, it'll feel like armor. 1. Run 2 minutes of breath. 4 to 6 cycle. On wake. 2. Stretch or flow for 3 minutes. 3. Anchor a word to 5 breath cycles. 4. Prep your delay breath for top 2 triggers. 5. End with 1 spoken goal and a full body shift. You don't need a 5 a.m. miracle routine. You need 12 minutes of deliberate breathing, movement, and awareness. Tanjiro didn't ask for more hours. He built rhythm, trained breath, stayed focused under pressure. You can too. Join the guild on Discord to drop your ritual. Live Q&A every Thursday at 7 p.m. Central. Under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain Gio Bravo, signing off. Until next time, friends. Peace.